life of my wife. We are, well, he's cooking. I'm supervising. He's making one of our best friend's recipe.
Is that enough water?
Yeah. And so we're going to give it a try. So I'm going to turn it around and let him tell you what we're doing.
Okay.
What are we doing?
So, we're doing, what is it called? I can't remember.
Cheaters mac and cheese.
Cheaters mac and cheese.
By
Country Girl. Yes. Alright, so we got we bought Velveeta cheese. We had to scale down the size because she used what? 5
pounds. We only used a pound.
We used a pound. Yeah. So we're not adding in as much of the ingredients. So this is purely practice. So we're gonna add in some cream of soup. I don't even. She said half. I made. You used a half can.
She said once you get it melted, as long as it's creamy.
Yeah, and then a little bit of evaporated, not the sweetened stuff, just the normal.
Evaporated.
Yeah, there is a difference. Okay, so 30 minutes intervals.
I hope not 30 minutes.
Or 30 seconds. While that's going, I break out my chicken that I got on sale. And yeah, so one's going in Mr. Brody.
Mm-hmm.
We just boil his.
Daddy boiling you some chicken for supper?
I have the hot water. Of course it's hot because it is starting to boil. The water on for the pasta.
I don't think you'll be needing any more liquid by the looks of it already.
No. Well, it's not. I don't think 30 seconds in this microwave is going to. I'm going to do 45. Because that didn't even take the chill off. Alright, so our. You can use any type of macaroni.
Pasta. Macaroni is a type of pasta.
Macaroni pasta, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh, dear. I can't wait to go back to work. Oh wait, I'm stuck here at home.
Yep. Mr. Brody, do you want to say thank you to everybody for all the birthday wishes they gave you the other day? It was nice, wasn't it? Yeah. You had a good birthday and everybody was so kind. Yeah.
Okay, so that's come back to a boil. Once I get a chance, I'm going to be wrapping that chicken. We're going to be going to season it and wrapping it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and we got some mail. Look at this beautiful card. And it is from Brenda Ray, Maggie May, Maniac Grammy's Homestead. And so that was really awesome to get that in the mail today. And I love this Christmas door. I reuse every card that I get with a Christmas door like that. I reuse the door all the time.
I got little snoopers up here.
I know. Does it smell good, buddy? Oh, walking, walking, walking like a big boy.
So I'm going to use two pieces of bacon per.
2 pieces?
2 passes.
Oh! What kind of nuts did we use in the Hello Dollies?
Pecans. Sorry, pecans. How are they spelt, my American friends? Huh? How do you spell can? C-A-N. How do you spell P? P-A. Or, well,
It's only
it's
P-E on those.
Pecan. 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 Con. Do you say a con? Is this a con of evaporated milk? No, it's a can. I don't really care what people call them.
Nope.
Pecans. I think I say both.
I think it's funny.
Tomato. You know what? It's just a lot of it's just all depends, and a lot of Canadians say
Yep.
pecan. Like,
And well, it's the same thing with Canadians put like in the word color, C-O-L-O-U-R, but Americans say C-O-L-O-R.
yeah, ours is the British spelling.
Yeah. So
Right.
it's
Well,
ways that you're saying things, ways you're spelling things, whatever.
Yeah. Pecan, pecan.
But it's fun to tease each other. Right, bro? You like to tease mama.
Yeah. He does. I don't know why I just didn't.
I don't know why you just didn't use both pieces of cut it in half and rip it in half, whatever.
Yeah.
I was thinking there's one piece of bacon left.
Yeah, just lay it on top.
You didn't season the chicken. You just wrapped it.
Oh, you're right.
Throw some seasoning on the bacon.
You're right.
This is not a formal cooking with Kevin. This is just us goofing around New Year's Eve.
Oh yeah.
And yes, we have not.
I'm not putting these on until I put the.
Yeah, we have not been vlogging the last few days because we're not going out anywhere. We're not doing
No, we're
anything.
not.
We've been just sitting around. So we thought, you know what? Let's just vlog supper tonight and goof around with Mr. Brode. Right? Want to see Mr. Brody's chicken? There's Mr. Brody's chicken. And the pasta. A whole minute.
Yes, I done it for 45 seconds, and it's not.
And look what we're cooking it in, of course, because we love this guy. This thing, I'm telling you, it's gonna be wore out before it gets old.
What's that? Oh, that? Yeah.
We should put these we should put this gingerbread house and train out for the birds.
No.
That's what the neighbors do.
I want to, but no, because I don't want to attract all the other animals. No.
I see.
I know that's what they did. We got a problem as it is with squirrels and everything else. I don't.
There's been coyotes.
Yeah.
Crazy. Oh, I know what I want to ask you guys about. Not about, for. I got news this morning, and I'm sure many of you have, that Chickens by the Lake, Michelle, her mom passed away this morning, so please pray for her and Bruce and Nate and their families, because such a sad time. So, yeah, I won't go into any more detail. That's her place, but I just wanted to ask for prayers because she's such a dear, dear friend of many of ours, and we love her, that's for sure. And so, yeah, keep that family in your prayers. All right, Mr. Brode, are you trying to see if Daddy dropped anything? I don't think he has.
Not yet, anyway.
Okay. Oh, that's nice and creamy.
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of cream soup did you use? Because
I use cream of bacon.
that's our favorite. That's our go-to.
Yeah, she used cream of mushroom.
Yeah.
Kelly doesn't like mushroom. Not that I think you'd really be able to tell the
Well, no,
difference
but
in a soup, or in that, but
But our go-to is the cream of bacon for sure.
Yeah.
So, all right, I'm gonna bring his back in a few minutes when we're assembling.
You know what? I want to do that in reverse order. I want to put the cheese in first because I want to add the pasta because I don't want to put too much pasta in.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So
That looks so yummy. You just dribbled.
where?
Right there.
Yeah.
See everybody? He dribbled.
Mm-hmm. It's not bad. Yeah, I think that's all I want to put in. Yeah, I don't want it. 'Cause that will.
You can put a little bit more of the evaporated milk if you want, just to
To what?
thin it out just a tad.
Why do I want to thin it out?
I don't know.
It'll thin out when I cook it. It's
No.
just gotten thick because it's been standing.
Okay. Give it a go. See what happens.
Who's the cook in this house?
Me sometimes.
Yeah, but majority of the time, who's the cook?
Because I let you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you've decided to put a little bit more pasta, huh?
Yeah. Hey, who's the cook?
See, I'm okay with just a little bit of sauce on any pasta.
I am not.
No, I know.
Like that stuff we made the other night, it was too dry. I put too much pasta.
See, and I loved it.
Well,
Look at that. Now I know that Country Girl said to shred some cheese too, but we're just not putting any extra cheese. All right.
all right, in the oven for whatever.
For what?
30 minutes.
20 or 30 minutes?
It's gonna take our chicken 25 minutes anyways.
Yum, yum. All right.
I can't remember.
400, I thought you said.
It could have been. So
Mr.
I'd like to double
Brody.
check.
Mr. Brody.
At 400, it's 400. Start and away it goes.
All right.
Okay.
We'll be back. Look at this delicious supper.
Just wait, buddy.
Look.
I don't know how I'm gonna like the cheese because it's processed, and I'm not a huge processed cheese lover. So
You put processed cheese in your scalloped potatoes.
yeah, but there's a lot different taste. This is all right. Yeah, it's not a huge. I think some real cheddar would.
Well, you could put real cheddar on top, like she said.
Yeah.
See, I would take this over Kraft Dinner any day. You got a winner with me. He should be on sale.
No. Who, him? Yeah.
You want some chicken?
No, I don't know.
There you go. There's Brody's New Year's Eve dinner. Right?
Mm-hmm.
You won't get his attention now because he's got his food.
Yeah.
Anyway, hope everybody has a good year. Here's to a better one, I guess. I hope. All right, we'll see you on the next one.